In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Monday.com. Whether you're managing team projects, tracking progress, or simply organizing your workflow, duplicating a board can save you a ton of time by allowing you to effortlessly replicate existing setups. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to Monday.com, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL Monday.com. You should see their homepage appear. Once you're there, attention needs to move to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll spot the option to log in. Go ahead and click that. On the login page you have a couple of paths you can take. If you have your credentials at the ready, you can manually enter your email address and password. Alternatively, to make things quicker, just use the sign in with Google option. If you choose this path, look for your account within the list that appears and select it. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the board you want to work with. On the left side menu of your screen you should see a list of boards available to you. Scroll through the menu, and once you've located the board in question, simply click on it. On your selected board you'll notice its name prominently displayed. Right beside the board's name is an icon with 3 dots. This icon is very important as it opens up a menu with additional options. Click on it and a menu should pop up on your screen. From this pop-up menu, scan for the duplicate option. This feature is what allows you to create a replica of your board. Clicking on it will trigger a new pop-up asking you to rename your board. Type in the new name you want for your duplicated board. But there's more to it. Underneath the naming section you have the chance to select specific items you'd like to duplicate. Whether it's tasks, groups, or something else you have on the board, take the time to consider what you want your new board to include. Finally, after making your choice, scroll down and click on the duplicate button. This will execute the duplication process. Your new board is now ready, complete with all the features and settings you've selected, and just like that you've successfully duplicated a board on Monday.com. With this newfound efficiency, you can focus more on managing your tasks and less on setup. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tips.